Good morning, dear children. Every day at school teaches us something new, not just from books, but from our habits too. It's time for group work in the classroom. The teacher divides the class into small teams and gives them an exciting project to complete together. The good student girl sits straight, listens carefully, and starts sharing her ideas. She helps her teammates, explains things politely, and works happily with everyone. Her group is full of energy. They discuss, plan, and finish their work on time. The bad student boy, on the other hand, leans back in his chair. He doesn't talk, doesn't help, and doesn't care. When the project is almost finished, he suddenly looks at everyone's work and tries to copy it at the last moment. The teacher notices everything. A good student works as a team. A bad student waits for others to do the work. Now it's test time. The classroom is silent. Question papers are placed on every desk. The good student girl takes a deep breath. She reads every question carefully, thinks calmly, and writes her answers neatly. She manages her time well and finishes the test with confidence. The bad student boy looks worried. He hasn't studied properly. He keeps looking left, then right, hoping to copy from someone else. Suddenly, the teacher says, "Only 2 minutes left." The boy starts panicking. His hands shake. He rushes his answers and feels stressed. Preparation brings confidence. Laziness brings fear. Now it's library time. The classroom is quiet as students walk into the library. The good student girl enters slowly and politely. She looks around, chooses a book carefully, sits down, and reads quietly during her free period. When the bell rings, she closes the book gently and returns it properly to the librarian, on time and in perfect condition. The bad student boy rushes into the library. He runs between shelves, pulls out random books, and flips pages carelessly. Suddenly, rip! A page tears by mistake. The librarian notices and scolds him. The boy feels embarrassed and confused. Books are our friends. Respect them, and they will teach you forever. It's the end of a class period. The classroom is silent. The good student girl notices small paper pieces fallen near her desk. Without being told, she bends down, picks them up, and puts them in the dustbin. Soon, the classroom looks clean and tidy. The bad student boy sees the same paper pieces. He looks at them, shrugs his shoulders, steps right over them, and walks away as if he saw nothing at all. Clean habits show good character. Responsibility starts with small actions. Now it's assembly time. All students gather in the ground. The good student girl stands in a straight line. She sings the school song clearly, keeps her hands by her side, and listens carefully to every announcement. The bad student boy whispers to friends, makes funny faces, and forgets the song lyrics. Suddenly, the principal notices him and calls him out in front of everyone. The boy feels shy and lowers his head. Discipline earns respect. Bad behavior brings embarrassment. Children, every choice you make in school shapes who you become. Working as a team, studying on time, respecting books, keeping your classroom clean, and standing with discipline, these small actions build a good student. So ask yourself, will I act like a good student today? Remember, good habits may look small, but they create big success. Choose the right path, because a good student today becomes a successful person tomorrow.
If you enjoyed watching the video, then give a like and subscribe to our channel.